How to extend a formula in Microsoft Excel. So right here in my table I have two columns of numbers, and then in my C column I have formulas to add up the adjacent cells in both the A and the B columns. So for C here I have 1 plus 4 equals 5. So if I want to extend the formula for A1 plus B1, there are two ways I can go about doing this. The first is I can grab the little green box in the corner here and drag that all the way down, and you'll see that that formula has now been extended to these cells. So now it's A2 plus B2, etc., and so on and so forth. If I wanted to, though, what I could do is if I just double click on this little corner here, rather than having to drag it all the way down, it'll do that exact same action. So that is how you extend formulas in Microsoft Excel.